Okay, so the tabs that hold the thing into the mower, into the trimmer, broke off. That is kind of a problem. These are very brittle. I tried to fortify it by smoothing it with a soldering iron to make it blur the layers, but basically we have grain failure along that thin edge there. And I'm not really sure what to do about that because those do have to bend. So if I make them any thicker, it's already hard enough to get it in there. So yeah, the thing hits a rock and then pulls itself out. So I don't know. Gotta find a better material, I guess. Anyway, the toe cutter.